In this video, we're going to walk you through the fascinating process of refining raw sugar, step by step. Here we have raw sugar, freshly produced from sugarcane or sugar beet. And now compare it with this one, pure white refined sugar that we use every day in our kitchens. Why do we need to refine it? Raw sugar may look sweet, but it still contains molasses, colorants, and natural impurities that affect its color, taste, and shelf life. The refining process removes these unwanted materials, giving us sugar that is cleaner, brighter, and more suitable for food products. The very first stage of this journey, called affination, where the crystals get their initial cleaning before deeper purification. After the affination step, the thick sugar syrup, often called magma, moves on to the clarification stage. Here, carefully selected chemicals such as lime or calcium hydroxide are added to the syrup. Then gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and other agents are introduced. These substances work together to remove color and impurities, causing unwanted particles to coagulate and settle out of the liquid. Once the impurities have formed a solid sediment, the syrup is passed through large industrial filters, where the clarified, cleaner liquid sugar is separated from the remaining solids. Next, the clarified syrup is sent to large vessels known as vacuum pans. Inside these sealed pans, the pressure is reduced so the syrup can boil at a lower temperature. This gentle boiling causes water to evaporate and the syrup to become thicker and more concentrated. As the concentration rises, tiny sugar crystals begin to form and grow. Careful control of temperature, pressure, and seeding allows these crystals to develop into the familiar shapes of refined sugar. After crystallization, the sugar crystals are transferred to a series of industrial centrifuges. These high-speed machines spin rapidly to separate the crystals from the remaining molasses, leaving behind clean, sparkling sugar grains. The damp sugar is then sent to a rotary dryer, where warm air gently removes the last traces of moisture. Finally, the pure, refined sugar, now perfectly dried, is ready for packaging. From here, it can be packed into large industrial sacks for food manufacturers or into smaller retail bags for everyday use in homes and kitchens. This marks the end of the journey, from raw brown crystals to the bright, clean sugar we use in drinks, desserts, and countless recipes around the world.